Here we're taking a look at a 2015 DCH Value pre-owned Buick Encore, finished in cocoa silver metallic paint with black and brown two-toned leather seats, powered by a turbocharged 1.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, equipped with navigation system, power moonroof, 18-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, roof rack, and rear spoiler. Safety features include blind spot monitor, ABS brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, traction control, front side and overhead airbags. This Encore has just arrived at Honda of Nanuet. It has 107,000 miles. It's gone through a multi-point inspection, and it comes with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. The black and brown two-toned leather seats are in excellent condition. This Encore has been fully detailed and is extra clean. This CUV comfortably seats 5 with plenty of rear passenger space. This Buick Encore comes fully loaded with heated power front seats, memory driver's seat, reverse camera, dual zone climate control, power windows, mirrors, and door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, wood trim. It has a leather-wrapped telescoping heated steering wheel with radio controls, with a 6-speaker sound system, with CD player, auxiliary jack, USB port, Bluetooth audio, XM satellite radio, and MP3 decoder. The Buick 16-valve dual overhead cam, turbocharged 1.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine is spirited and fun to drive, and it gets an outstanding 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This Encore offers plenty of rear cargo space in the hatch. Come down to Honda of Nanuet today and test drive this fully loaded 2015 DCH Value pre-owned Buick Encore with navigation system, Bluetooth, reverse camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and only 107,000 miles.